guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be getting some nails on my left hand, finally. So I've already prepped my nails, removed the cuticles, and then I'm just giving my nails a little buff just to chalk them up. I just use a buffer for this, you don't need to file them. You don't want to over file. Just like that, just so they're all roughed up. Then I'm applying a nail dehydrator. We're going to let that dry, and then I'm applying an acid-based primer. So with this primer, guys, this does not want to touch the skin. So make sure you don't touch the skin with that. Let that dry. Now I'm going to apply the Born Pretty base coat to all 5 nails. So I'm just going to quickly do that off camera, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. Right, so that is the base coat all applied. So we're going to be applying the full cover tips today. I've got my tips already measured out. Now, these tips are already pre-buffed. Can you see that? If your tips aren't already pre-buffed, you need to etch the inside. I usually just go in with a little ball drill bit or something and just etch the inside. You only need it on a really low speed. You can also apply primer in there, but I've never tried that, so I don't know what it's like. But some people just apply a primer to the inside the tip. Today, we're going to be using the Born Pretty Nail Tip Gel in colour clear. Now, from what I remember, you really don't need a lot of this. Make sure that tip's nice and clean. Right, a teeny tiny bit in there like that. That is all I need. I think that is actually way too much. I don't need that much. And then slide that back to the cuticle. Push it down until all the air is out. Just like that. And then pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. That is that one done. You see how quick and easy that is. Right. Let's get cracking and get the rest of these tips on, shall we? So, pop it on the nail, slide it back a bit. Squeeze it all the way down. And then pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Right, so that is the nails all applied. I'm just going to go around the cuticle area just to make sure that's all nice and flush. And I don't need to do anything else. I don't need to go up the side walls, nothing. Literally just go around the cuticles. And then I'm going to buff over them so they're all nice and matte. We're going to do some artwork on these. Right, guys, they've all been filed and buffed. Just going to give them a quick clean over with some isopropyl alcohol, get rid of all that dust. There we go. So I'm going to start off by giving the ring finger and the index finger a coat of Born Pretty's Jelly Nude Gel colour BPJN04. then I'm going to give them a cure, and I'll give that another coat off camera. And then I'm using that jelly gel again, and I'm just going to paint a nail bed on this middle nail and also the thumbnail as well. I'm just going to get a striping brush. I'm going to neaten that nail bed up. I'm not too worried about it being super neat because you're not really going to see it anyway, but I'm happy with that. Just going to do the exact same now on the thumbnail. I've pulled out this chameleon glitter, guys, which is from AliExpress. I shall leave the link for this in my description box if anyone wants to head over and check out the whole collection. There's 12 in this collection and they're all fine chameleon colours. It's a beautiful collection. So I'm trying to find a gel polish that's going to kind of match that colour. I'm hoping, yeah, I think that'll be alright. So, I've pulled out Born Pretty's. This is out of their Silky White series. And it's colour CG052. And I'm going to apply that to the whole of the pinky nail and to these two tips as well. So I think I'm going to apply it to the pinky nail first. Gorgeous colour this is, isn't it? Super bright. Love it. And then I'm not going to cure that, because into that uncured gel polish, I'm going to sprinkle this beautiful glitter. And then I'm going to give that a double cure, so I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to use that CG052, that bright pink, and we're going to paint the tip on this middle nail and the tip on the thumbnail as well. And then I'm going to neaten that up with my striping brush. And now again I'm going to sprinkle that glitter into that uncured gel polish, and then I shall pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Right guys, so I've encapsulated those tips in with a really thick top coat, what I encapsulate glitter with. I've done the thumb as well, and I've given those a buff over to make them nice and smooth. Now we're going to get some bling applied. So I think I'm going to try using this tips gel, you know, as a bling gel. See if it does the same job, shall we? So I'm applying it directly onto the nail out of the tube, and then I'm just going to smooth it all out with a gel brush. And then I'm not going to cure that. Straight over the top of that, I'm going to apply a coat of the Born Pretty Super Top Coat. This is a really, really good top coat, guys. It stays shiny for ages. It's scratch resistant, stain resistant. It doesn't lose the colour, it doesn't go dull. Yeah, it's an amazing top coat, this is. One of my favourite top coats. Now I'm going to stick the crystals into it. So that is a metallic fuchsia crystal. This one is a fuchsia AB crystal. And I'm just going to do a crystal design using a mixture of the two. Then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Then give that a cure for 60 seconds. Who's ready to see a bit of glitter top coat porn? Here we go. Look at that. That is such a pretty glitter, guys. So pretty. Don't you just love that when it comes to light, when you go over it with a top coat? It's my favourite part of doing nails. Right, so they are all finished now, guys. So I'm just going to give them all a little bit of cuticle oil. That is them all finished. What do you think to the bling? Look at that glitter as well. That glitter is absolutely stunning, isn't it? Beautiful. I love that kind of purple to blue UV shift. It's so pretty. And these AB fuchsia crystals, they've got that same bluey purple UV shift to them. I like them. I really like them. I'm well happy with them, in fact. And they were just so quick and easy to do, wasn't they? In fact, the bling placement took probably double the time as what the actual nails took to put on. Yeah, I like them. I like them a lot. And I'm really liking these jelly gels at the minute as well. I wasn't a massive fan of them when they first come out. But yeah, I actually really like them now. So everything that I've used today, guys, I shall leave listed in my description box below. I've also got a 10% off Born Pretty discount code. You'll see in the top right corner of the screen is GG10. So don't forget to pop that in at checkout to save yourself 10% off your order. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing as well. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.